200 and you do not need measuring device. You can see how complete housing is wobbling. And it does not have anything with shaft on which is mounted, because something is wrong in assembly of encoder. So we'll try to put 1000 focus. I removed what first I have done. Remove these 4 screws, remove this elastic bracket, remove this, and unscrew these 3 screws long that came from this side to this, and I marked how it was aligned with marker. And like I said, it looks really quality made. This case is milled from aluminum block and probably powder coated, and there is a seal to prevent against dust. And now I want to see this. So this is seal and everything is new, only the bushing is not made good. So I will open it, but I'm not sure that do I first need to, maybe I don't know, maybe I will manage to. So this is nice. This is nice because I can pull the cable and that's it. Pull the cable and that's it. And this is really, this looks really nice. So I need to push, pull. Need to pull the cable, and this is smart way. Smart way, in my opinion. They should make something for they should make something like this for stepper motor cables, and I made something like this so I can unplug. I do not need to solder wires. So this is how it looks. Oops. This is some kind of grease here. So this is how high quality board and components are soldered. And now I see this is deformed. So aluminum block, and this is probably transparent or glass, I don't know, some kind of disc. Problem is this shaft. What have they done with the shaft? I'm not so optimistic that I will manage to fix this, because I think that disc is glue on bushing. Disc is glue on bushing, and this is some cable. So here we have cable, and as I heard, this is from 2011, probably sitting in some warehouse, and somebody managed to get it and put it in sale, and I bought it. So I can look this all day. Need to try something, so I will stop with recording for now. And I was looking cable, and I saw one wire. So on cover there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 wires mentioned, from yellow, black, green, white, brown, violet, red, blue, gray, and on cable there exists pink wire, and I thought, what with that wire? So now I know what with that wire. It is here. It's not connected anywhere. So they took cable with 10 wires, and one wire is for nothing. So this is how look case. This is some seal. So stopping for now with recording. So for shafts, for homemade shaft, It is quite impressive in my opinion. So in this area no runout. So I measured here and now I'm measuring here, and here is also small runout. And when I take, so I removed cable from this and I was looking, it's really, there are really tight tolerances inside this. I think this is some kind of glass disc with 2005 thin lines, and between above. So why does it want to focus? So it's really precision made parts inside, but something is really wrong. So here is some electrical device which is mounted below the disc, and I think that gap is, I cannot manage to record it, so maybe now it's possible to see. So how small gap is between this rotating disc and this glass plate. It's so close one to each other. So, and that glass disc is glued to this bushing. And problem is with bushing, so it needs to be mounted on shaft like this, and it's tight. So in this area, when I put it here in this area, it's very tight fit. Okay, and now when I press spindle start, and I stop this, so I will put on stand. So this I mounted for background, so it can focus, and I will turn on spindle. Okay, this seems okay. And 3. So I'm not sure, maybe this is normal, I don't know. Maybe this is normal. Maybe it should be like this, I don't know. Yes. 300. Maybe this should be like this, I don't know. But thing is that the faster it rotates, the more vibration I have. Now it really vibrates. So this is 500 RPM, yes, 200 RPM. So I do not understand really how can something so fine made move like this. I do not understand. Maybe bearings are not good pressed fit. So I'm holding just with my finger. So looks. I really do not know what can I do. So now I will put 1000 RPM. 1000 RPM. 1000 RPM. 2000 RPM. 2000 RPM. 3000 RPM. I want to remove this so something does not get stuck while it rotates fast. So S1000. $1,200. And you do not need measuring device. You can see how complete housing is wobbling, and it does not have anything with shaft on which is mounted, because something is wrong in assembly of encoder. So we try to put 1000 focus. So looks like this part of shaft is pretty good, but something is inside wrong. Something is inside wrong. S2000. 2000 RPM. 3000. So this is the closest I can get to picture being focused. And when rotation is like, for example, 200 RPM, then you best can see how wobbles left and right.